I am already liking this thing more than I thought. So good. All right, check this out. Installation was really difficult. You put that adhesive, pull the back side of the adhesive off, and you just stick it to the wall, and then you line those two tracks right up against that right there, and bam, you're done with the install. So being sarcastic, not hard at all. All right, so here's how it works. You hold the button down for 2 seconds, and that will engage, and it's going to tell you your battery life. So we're at 84%. You just wave your hand. It opens up, so cool. Then you grab your toothbrushes. So here is a mechanical one. What I love about this is, see that little latch right there? When it goes in, that little latch right there, it kind of keeps it from wanting to fall back out. A really nice little feature. Latch right there, latch right there. I'm gonna grab more of a manual one as well, stick it in there. And now I'm just gonna wave my hand again. Automatically closes, which is super cool, by the way. All right, now UV lights. There's 2 UV lights in there, one for each bay. I believe this goes for 20 seconds, and then it cuts off, but then you're gonna hear the humming in the background continue on until it gets all the way down to 0, and that is the fan blowing down and on to the toothbrushes. Okay, there you go. That's the first 20 seconds, and then we got a little bit more time here. I'll just fast forward it for you. There you go, and just like that, we are now sanitized. It just turns off. Let's check the battery. That was at 84%. Let me turn it back on and see after that full cycle, we have dropped down to 83%. So maybe you get 100 uses out of it. Maybe you get 75, something like that, but it's gonna last a long time. And then when you do need to charge, you just pop that off, stick the USB that's included into it, and then into the power outlet conveniently right below. I don't know, guys. This is my review, and I am honestly very pleased with it. This is cooler than I thought, especially this feature right here. I just love that. It's so tactile, and it just sounds so cool when you get up close to it. All right, that was sent to me by the company for a review. That is my review. I like it. Okay, I'm back. After living with this for a few days, I've got an update. Remember I told you there'd be about 75 to 100 cycles. So I was assuming 75 to 100 days. That's not the case. It actually lasts up to about 30 days, and that is because it's actually better this way. Whenever you turn it on and it runs through the cycle, so by the way, let's just do that again. That's so cool. All right, goes through the cycle, then it shuts off, and after 3 hours, it pops back on and does 20 more seconds of disinfectant with the UV, and then 75 more seconds with the fan. And I think it does that every 3 hours until you brush your teeth again that evening or the next morning. So that's actually an upgrade. So it doesn't last 2-3 months. It actually lasts a month or so, but that's a really cool feature. So just wanted to share that with you. Again, I love this thing. I'm way more impressed with it than I thought that I would be. Really easy to install and doing the job.